Hi besties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Delight and I do lifestyle and fashion content on this channel. I also do vlogs. So yeah, welcome to the family. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe down. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed and you haven't turned on your notifications, please hit the notification bell so that you know every time there's a new upload. And if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. This helps with the algorithm to push my video to more people so that we can grow this family and do more content. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I went back to in Departmentstore, which is in Harare. I went to the branch which is at corner Nelson Mandela and Angwa Street. So that's the branch that I went to, the same branch that I went to the previous time. If you want to see a tour of the shop, please check out my previous videos. And I also did another unboxing for items which I got from this shop. And if you want a review of those products, like how I feel about them now, I can give you a rundown in one of my vlogs. So this time I went and I bought those items. They're in this plastic bag. I spent $19, $19 or $18, I can't remember, for these items. So I'm just going to unbox these items with you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, first up, I bought this. It's a lip mask. I don't know how to use it. I don't know if it's the same as lip gloss, but I just saw this. It was $1 and I bought this. I just want to try it out and see how it is. Is it a lip gloss or is just something else? So this one is, I think it's aloe. Yeah, it's aloe vera. So yeah, this is the first item that I bought. It has this little thing. I think it's because this is shaped like a honey pot. If you have watched Winnie the Pooh, you know this shape. Like this looks like a honey pot, and this is something that is used in the honey pot. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, if you watched Winnie the Pooh, then you get the idea. So this is the first item that I got. And the second item, I think this is my favorite item in this haul, is this headband. I love it. I love the color. I love the fact that it has this bow. I was looking for those famous bows from Shein. I couldn't find them in Harare. The shop that I always trust, they don't have the item. They say that the items ran out as soon as they arrived. So yeah, I had to buy this. I think this was $2.50 or something. I lost the receipt, so I'm just guessing the prices. If I remember, I'm going to write the price on the screen. So this is the second item that I bought. I love it so much and I can't wait to rock this. So yeah, this is the second item. And item number 3. I think I'm back in my feminine era. I had forgotten that I'm a girl because of working at a mine and working with guys. So yeah, I'm back in my feminine era. So this is a wig brush or just a hairbrush. This was $1.50. It says air cushion comb, but this is a hairbrush. It's basically a hairbrush. So this is item number 3. I want to go back into wigs and stuff. So yeah, because it's for the summer, so I'll just pop on a wig when I'm going somewhere, and then when I come back, I can just take it off. So this is why I bought this brush. And it's black and pink. My two favorite colors. Like if you didn't know, black, pink, white, those are my favorite colors. Favorite colors. Yeah. This is the third item. And then item number 4. I bought this. It says here as a 7-piece empty travel board. It's 7 pieces, like, but there are 5 pieces in it. It's 1 2 3 4 5. So if you're traveling, you can use this for your toner, for your shampoo, your conditioner, your body cream, or face cream. If you don't want to carry those huge bottles and just decant into this, so that is why I bought this. I wanted to use this when we go for the church conference. So this is why I bought this. So yeah, it's just 5 pieces. I think I saw another set somewhere. I can't remember where I saw it, which is the smaller containers for your face cream, for your lip gloss or whatever. So yeah, this one only has these 5 items. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then item number 5 is this two-sided mirror. I don't have a mirror. Please don't judge me. I don't have a mirror. So yeah, I decided to buy this mirror. I need to get back to being a girl. I need to remember every time that I'm a girl. So that is why I saw this mirror. I was like, I need to buy this mirror. I also need that full-length mirror, but I can't seem to find it. So yeah, if you know anywhere where I can get that full-length mirror in Zimbabwe, please comment down below. So yeah, this is the second item. It has a magnifying side. Like the other side is magnified and the other side is just normal. So yeah, I think it's perfect when you do your makeup and stuff, your installations and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my mirror. And then the item that I'm going to unbox next, this is item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Item number 6. I got this cotton pads. Apparently there are 1,000 pieces, so they are cosmetic cotton pads which you can use to remove makeup, and I want to use them for my toner. Let me show you the toner. So yeah, this is the toner that I use, the Posha M toner for my face. So I normally use cotton wool to apply this on my face, so I decided to buy this cotton pads and I'll see how it goes. I know my toner is running out. I've had this, I think, for almost a year now, this toner, because I only use it twice a week. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to try this out and see how they are with my toner. So yeah, this is the other item. And then moving on to item number what? 7. Item number 7. So I got 1, 2, and 3. You already know what this is. If you know me, you already know what this is. So I bought this perfumes. This is 100 ml. It's written Je t'aime. I don't know what this means, but I think this is an imitation for Jadot. Yeah, I think this is an imitation for Jadot. I will check and see as I compare. There are notes written on the side. This is 100 ml. I'll compare. I'll check on Google and see if it is exactly the Jadot imitation. So yeah, this is the first perfume I'm going to unbox with you guys. I'll put a clip of me unboxing this, and then I have this. This is written Royal Sweetie, but I think this bottle looks like the Olympia perfume. If I'm mistaken, I don't know. I'm going to put on this side the picture of the Olympia perfume. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. No one is going to judge me or kill me for that. So yeah, I think this is the imitation of the oh my god, of the Olympia perfume. So this is a 70 ml, and yeah, this one doesn't have notes written on the side. So it says that it was designed in the UK and made in PRC, which is People's Republic of China. So yeah, this is the second perfume. And the last item is this perfume. This is written Vivi Love Chandelier Rouge. But if you know this box, you would know that this is the imitation for the Baccarat Rouge, the Mysore and Francis Baccarat Rouge 504-405. I can't remember. I'll put it on the side. So yeah, this is the imitation for that Baccarat Rouge. So yeah, I got this. It doesn't have the notes written on the side. This is also designed in the UK and made in PRC. So, or in department store, it sells items which are imported from China. So, from what I've seen, most of their items, they are from China. So, yeah, if you like those kind of products, if you like perfumes, if you like to find perfumes that you can use to layer with your designer perfumes, with your expensive perfumes, with your body mist or anything, you can actually visit or in department store and get these items. I love their perfumes and I'm going to stop. Just that I didn't have enough money to buy more, but I wanted to try out all their perfumes. Let me show you the perfume that I bought the last time. So last time I got this, it's written Black Opium, which is an imitation for Black Opium. This smells so nice. I also love the bottle because it is black and it has hints of pink here, but this perfume is very nice. It has I think I can classify it as sweet, but it has the hints of coffee, it has hints of vanilla. It smells so good. Like, it smells so nice. I love it so much. I love it so much. So yeah, this is the one that I bought last time. This is a 70 ml again, so I love this one. I think I'm going to buy another bottle of this because I loved it so much. And sometimes I layer it with the kind of fragrance that I got from Fine Fragrances. So yeah, I love this so much. besties, we have come to the end of this unboxing. If you love unboxings, please comment down below. I love unboxings, so maybe I'm just doing this for myself. I'm not doing it for you, but yeah, I love unboxings. I love new stuff. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button to become part of the family, and also turn on your notifications so that you know every time there's a new upload. So until the next video or vlog, it's goodbye from me. Bye.